Alright, good afternoon guys, good afternoon. It's me, Ephraim G. Gaviola. You can just call me Gavs, founder of Fedocation, my team as an internet marketer. Welcome to this video. This is a basic Facebook ads marketing video, training videos for JC Premier, especially sa team ni Patrick, ni Buboy, kababata ko. And I hope marami kayong matutunan for this training videos, and you get lots of ideas on this one. I'm gonna teach you what I do, yung basic muna, kasi para mas maintindihan nyo. And the later part, I'm gonna teach you yung medyo mas deepening kung paano yung ginagawa yung Facebook marketing. Okay, mas in much effective way. Okay, just a short video anyway. What I'm gonna teach you is this one, yung ginagawa ko. Ito naka-highlight. Also, I'm internet marketer. I also have a product or affiliate marketing na ginagawa ngayon sa Ignition Marketing. So what I do, I have my own website. Yun ang ginagawa kong pang-drive ng traffic to my affiliate marketing. So explain ko lang to very quick. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano yung website ko naka-reach siya ng kalahating milyon, 673,658. Okay? Ang na-reach niya, nakatao, is yung na-engage dun sa sa website ko is around 77,076 nakatao. So ganun katindi yung Facebook ads if you know how to do it right. And magkano yung gastos ko? 0.13 cents. Ganun lang kababa, guys. Wala pang 50 centavos. So ituturo ko yan kung paano gagawin on this one. But first, let me tell you something. Before we start the Facebook marketing, I want you to understand the three basic rules in internet marketing or online marketing or Facebook ads marketing. Okay. Rule number one. Rule number one. You cannot see the money with your eyes. You have to see it with your mind, because money is only idea. Just like my mentor said on the business, and yung ganun din yung sinasabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, and I know Mr. Jonathan So also understand that principle. Rule number one, you cannot see the money with your eyes. You have to see it with your mind, because money is only idea. Now, once you understand the rule number one, you go to rule number two. You upgrade yourself. You go to rule number two. The more you can see the money, the more money will come. Ulitin ko. Rule number two, the more you can see the money, the more money will come. Okay? Okay. Once you understand once you understand the rule number one and rule number two, you go now to rule number three. Okay? Ito yung all of them are important, but I emphasize this rule number three. Rule number three is the more powerful your idea and your imagination is, the more money will come. Ulitin ko. Once you understand rule number one and rule number two, you go to rule number three. The more powerful your ideas and your imagination is, the more money will come. Okay? Excited na kayo? Go! Let's jump to Facebook marketing. So, very quick, since gumawa na ako ng page, nag-research na ako ng konti sa Facebook. May mga nakita na ako na Facebook page, especially kay Abarico. Maganda siya. However, I'm looking something na hindi ko makita doon sa Facebook page. Anyway, I'm gonna teach you rin how I do it. Now, On this one, ang gagawin natin, papakita ko lang kung paano ako dumiskarte, paano ako mag-isip. Okay. On this one, sa Facebook page na ginawa ko, Food Cart Franchise Business by JC Premier. Now, my point of entry sa tao on this one is to present the product na naka ninja tactics ng food cart. Okay? Gusto ko mag-offer ng JC Premier. Ang frontline ko is food cart. Why? Because Filipinos are already aware of food cart business. Okay? Yun ang point of entry ko. Now, on this one, ang gagawin natin, para nating iinggitin yung tao. Pero ang pinaka-point ng Facebook page nyo is to mamingwit ng tao through likes. Hindi nyo objective is bumili agad sila ng product. Okay? What you need to do is you need to let the people like your page. Pag nag-like sila ng page mo, they are already potential buyers. Kung hindi man sila sumali agad or bumili sa business mo, in the later part, in the later future, they will also do so. Okay? So, on this part, nilagay ko rito, sabi ko, grabe ka talaga food cart business, pati artistang si Bino, nasa franchise business na rin. Iba talaga ang nagagawa kung meron kang negosyong passive income, dalawa na income ko, income through food cart ng JC Premier sa halagang 8,880. Guys, keyword 8,880, food cart business 8,880. The mind of the people, of the person will think, "O ba, mura to. Anong meron?" There's a catch, right? So I want to baguhin yung pattern ng thinking nila pag nakita nila yung ads ko. Okay? Pwede ka nang magkaroon ng sarili mong negosyo. Kabayan, tara na, magnegosyo na tayo. For increase, how to avail food cart for only 8,880. Please PM or text and call me at 09 something. Now, this is very important, guys, especially dun sa mga nag-iumpisa pa lang. Once na nag-post kayo sa page nyo, make sure that your page will go viral. Okay? When you say go viral, kahit hindi nyo na i-market, kumbaga sinishare na ng tao, nag-viral siya. What I do, based on experiment, nag-umpisa ako, and this is very effective. Always make sure to give them a command, or parang inuutusan nyo yung tao. Okay? What I do, I always put this, ayan, please, lagi sa huli, lagi ko nilalagay, please don't forget to hit like, share, and even comment are all welcome. You want to engage your buyer or your prospect to your business. Okay? Again, lagay nyo lagi to. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and even comment are all welcome. Kailangan mag-viral ang inyong Facebook ads. Now, ginamit ko si Paring Bino, alright, and yung isang artista, and yung pinakagwapo sa huli, ayan, si Paring Eric. Alright, so that's it. Okay? Now, pag pumunta kayo sa Facebook ads, okay, what I do, most internet marketers or most MLM marketers na ginagawa sa Facebook, what they do is send people to website. Okay? Don't use that because first of all, limited lang yung text na pwede nyong ilagay. What I want is lahat nung text na to, gusto ko nakalagay lahat doon. Kumbaga parang yung normal post mo, ginawa mo siyang nag-leverage ka. Kumbaga, yun ang ima-market mo yung normal post na parang ganito. Yung yan, grabe ka taga food cart business. Alright? So, instead of send people to your website, okay, I used boost your post. Before it's boost engagement eh. However, sabi nga ng coach ko, Facebook, it's a living beast. Alright? Grabe ang Facebook. Lagi siyang nagbabago. Okay? So, you have to update yourself as well from time to time. So, what I do, I use boost your post, which, okay, then select your page, yung food cart business. Now, what I do, okay, pag gagawa kayo ng post na katulad ng ganito, yan, yung maraming ano na yan, hindi yung dyan kayo sa page nyo gagawa, magpo-post. Dito kayo gagawa nyan dito. So, kiklik nyo yung plus, create nyo yan. Pag create nyo yan, yan, dito kayo gagawa, tapos upload nyo yung picture, yan. Okay? Ganyan siya. But since meron na akong ginawa, so, continue ko na lang. Now, pagka-continue nyo, okay, ito magiging kalabasan yan. Okay. Now, I want you to understand, before you advertise your ads, your opportunity to Facebook, you have to think already, who is your market? It's very important. You need to know who is your market. Now, on this one, ang gagawin ko, I will market my product very specific and target market na tawag namin sa internet marketing. And it will boils down to 5 categories. First is the location. Next would be the age. Next would be the gender. Next would be the breaking point, the interest. All right. And the last one would be the placement ads. Saan yung pwesto. Okay? Drive, kung saan mag-drive ng traffic. I'm gonna teach you how to drive traffic, people going to your Facebook page. Okay. Now, gusto kong magtayo ng team ng GC Premier. Kunyari sabihin natin sa Quezon City. So, type mo yan, Quezon City. Doon kayo offer yung food cart business. Type nyo yung Quezon City, and then hindi pa siya lumalabas. Ayun, yan, Quezon City. Okay. Click Quezon City. Make sure, guys, meron sa gilid niyan, dito. Drop down yan. Lagi nyo ibababa to 50 miles. Why 50 miles? You want your category to broaden, or kumbaga lumaki, mag-expand. Okay? Now, gusto ko siyang i-offer, sabihin natin, kasi food cart eh, so sabihin natin mga start tayo ng 25 years old. Guys, ang offer is 8,880. So, ang thinking ko, at least may mga work na. So, start tayo, kunyari 26 years old na lang up. Okay? Tapos men and women. Now, I want you to pay very close attention dito sa right side ko. Alright, sa right side ko. You have to read the numbers, ha? You have to understand how the number works. Now, ganito ang explanation niyan. Sa Quezon City, men and women na 26 to 65 years old, ang market ko, ang potential reach niya ng food cart business ko is 10,200,000. Ganun kalaki ang target market nyo. Now, the breaking point is, sino ba yung target market? Okay? Like I said before to kay paring Eric, paring Eric talaga, no? Kay Sir Eric, sabi ko kay paring Eric, Kung ang negosyo mo is pampaganda or beauty products, i-offer mo ba yan sa magbubuti? Kung ang negosyo mo is regarding pagkain, alright, i-offer mo ba yan sa mga nagbebenta ng cars or car dealers? Of course hindi yun ang target market mo, right? Not all people doesn't understand what is this interest. This is the breaking point, okay? Now, since ang gusto ko is food cart business, ang negosyo ko, ang opportunity ko is food cart business, syempre ang target market ko, mga negosyante. So, I'll type entrepreneur. Okay? Kita nyo, lalabas yan dito ha, entrepreneur. Medyo matagal nga lang dahil sa ating connection. Anyway, so entrepreneur, magre-read pa yan. Okay. Guys, nakita nyo to? Just one, oh. Ayan, oh. Dito sa entrepreneurship, ang may mga taong interesado sa entrepreneurship is 88,682,200 people. That is for the whole world na active sa Facebook. But since Quezon City lang ang gusto ko, very specific ako, not all Philippines, not the entire world. So ang gagawin ko, piliin ko yung entrepreneurship. Tignan nyo, magbabago yung 10 million na. Ayan o, bago siya o. Facebook will tell you gaano kalaki yung target market mo. Okay, explain ko lang siya. Okay. Oh. Wala. Sorry. Okay. Ayan. Nakita nyo, 2.6 million people ang mga taong interesado na sa pagninegosyo. Do you get the idea? Do you get the point? Because if you don't get the point, ay titigil ko na itong ano ko, itong training videos ko para sa inyo kasi hindi nyo na-gets eh. But I hope it's easy to understand. 2.6 million na likes or may interest na gusto magnegosyo sa entrepreneurship na taga Quezon City, all men and women mula edad 26 years old above na 65. 2.6 million. That's target market already. What we call that in internet market is a target market. Okay? Alright? Ganun siya. Okay. Next would be this one. I want you to understand this. Okay. Kung nasa tight budget ka, ang pinakamura ng minimum ng Facebook is 40 pesos. Now, sa 40 pesos na budget. Now, sa 40 pesos, ang estimate daily reach is 770 people to 2,000 people. Now, guys, especially sa mga traditional network marketer, can you multiply yourself in a day, sabi natin to 700 na katao? Kaya nyo bang kumausap ng 700 na katao sa loob ng isang araw? I don't think so. Alright? That's why I hate network marketers doesn't want to use Facebook marketing. Okay? Kumbaga parang ang lugi sila eh. Kasi kumbaga ano lang naman yung kaya mong gawin sa isang araw? I-multiply yung sarili mo. Baka nga sa kwentang katao, pwede ba kung maramihan ka maramihan ng i-BBOM mo. Alright? Or sabi natin, 2,000 na katao. Can you multiply yourself in a day to 2,000 people? I don't think so. You get the point? And I hope you get the point. And we're talking about 40 pesos only here. Imbes na yung 40 pesos nyo na pupunta kayo sa opisina, alright, magkano pa yung pamasahin nyo, pagkain nyo, malamang sobra 100 o baka 200 pa yan mahigit ang gagastusin nyo sa isang araw. Pero you can only talk to as much as ilang tao lang naman yun ang pwede mo makasok sa isang araw. Hope you get the point. Now, there's 40 pesos. Eh, paano kung sabihin natin ang budget mo sa isang araw na masahe ka papunta sa office or something, then 200. Okay, 200. Did you see this? So, what 200 pesos na pera nyo, na-multiply nyo ang sarili nyo sa 3,800 na katao hanggang 10,000. You get the idea? The leverage nyo, na-multiply nyo ang sarili nyo sa loob ng isang araw to 10,000 people. Powerful yan! Powerful yan! Powerful! Hindi nyo kayang gawin yan nang kayo na mag-isa, in personal. So that's why you have to use internet marketing or Facebook marketing na lang to leverage yourself, to duplicate yourself in just one click. Okay? 3,800 to 10,000 people. Imagine. Again, the word is estimate daily reach. Kahit hindi na 10,000, kahit yung estimate na lang is 3,800 na lang. It's still a good numbers. 3,800, still a good numbers. Can you multiply yourself to 3,800 na katao? Kakausapin nyo sa loob ng isang araw? I don't think so, kung personal yan. Okay? I hope you get the idea. Okay, so ibig sabihin nito, sa 2.6 million na target market mo nang may gusto ng interest ng entrepreneurship pag ninegosyo, babae man o lalaki mula edad 26 to 65 years old na taga Quezon City, ang kaya kong ipakita ang opportunity ko in daily is 3,800 to 10,000 people in a day sa 2.6 million. Do you get the idea how powerful it is? And I hope you do. And medyo teka lang ha, baka maglobat ang aking aking laptop and maputol tayo. Medyo I'm fired up eh. Okay? Iba talaga pag networker. You will kapag nag-explain ka, you get excited, you get fired up. Okay? And I hope it does make sense yung tinuturo ko sa inyo. Okay? And then next, syempre guys, you want to see your ads, yung positioning niya. Kumbaga, yung pwesto. That's why meron tayong ad placements or ad preview and placements kung saan yung pwesto. Now, for me, based as an internet marketer, kung nag-start muna kayo at hindi nyo pa masyado nagigets to, I suggest you use desktop newsfeed. So, when you say desktop newsfeed, yung sa newsfeed nyo na malaki, kompleto, ganyan, no? Yan ang magiging itsura niya na yan. Ayan. Kung ano yan, ganyan siya. Yan mismo ang lalabas na itsura. Okay? Yan ang lalabas na itsura. So, gawin nyo, sa desktop muna kayo, you remove mobile, okay, explain ko lang to. Mobile newsfeed means sa mga cellphone, smartphone, tablets, dun siya lalabas. Mobile newsfeed. Okay? What you do, you create another Facebook ads para naman sa newsfeed lang, at yung isa naman sa right column. Yung say right column, yung na dito sa kanan nyo, na medyo maliit yung picture, tapos may that's the right column. Okay, that's the right column. So what you do, wag nyo pagsamay ng isang bagsakan. Dapat gusto nyo makita kung nasaan yung effective yung pwesto ng ads nyo, ng opportunity nyo. So remove nyo muna itong newsfeed o mobile newsfeed. Okay, you also remove the right column. Okay, pagka-remove nyo yan, ito guys, magbabago to. Alright? it will affect this estimate daily reach. Now, nung tinanggal nyo siya, dumami yung estimate daily reach nyo. Kanina hanggang 10,000, ngayon 4,800 to 13,000 people sa newsfeed. Can you again imagine yourself positioning your opportunity, your food cart business, to 13,000 people? Okay? I hope you get the point. Now, very important this one, yung ad set name. Kumbaga ito yung parang ano nyo, cheat sheets nyo to explain kung ano yung ads nyo. So, ibig sabihin dito, Quezon City, ang ads ko nakapwesto 25 to 65 years old. Lalagay ko all kasi men and women siya, all yung gender niya, and ang interest niya is entrepreneur. So entrep na lang, entrep. Tapos lalagay ko news feed kasi yun siya, news or news feed. Okay, yan. Okay, ganun siya. Alright. And then after that, meron ditong place order, and then you click that. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and I hope marami kayong natutunan for this very short video na ginawa ko sa inyo. Okay, and I hope marami kayong napulot na idea. Okay. Thank you once again for your time, guys. More videos to come, training videos to come for JC Premier. To you guys, I love it. I love teaching, especially Facebook marketing, because not all of people understand how it works. Ang alam lang is post lang, nakikichismis ka lang, like lang, but you don't know how to utilize Facebook on your advantage. Okay, thank you once again, guys. This is again Coach Gabs, and I hope I inspire you, or medyo tumayo ang balahibo nyo, or nakita nyo yung idea na tinuro ko for this one. Okay, more power to you guys. JC Premier Food Cart Business.